So here I welded in that pin. So suppliers in China, if you see my video, you gotta make the solid stock. You have to make a solid pin because that tube is no good. It has to be solid here because it takes a lot of stress in this point here. And anybody who has this grapple, you've got to do the same thing. You have to put a solid pin in there because this tube they have in here is garbage. It will bend on you. Now it can be solid, like all the other pins are solid. It has to be solid stock. You can't have tube in this area. This takes major stress here. You're clamping on stuff, it takes major stress. This has to be a solid pin. So anyways, I'm going to tack it in place and then use my heavier MIG, the 220, to weld the shit out of this up here. You might see a notch there. Well, I had to cut a notch out of there so the pin that goes across in here, this part here, I can't hold it up. But this part where you see my finger, the way it was bent, you couldn't take the pin out. I had to cut out that notch there so I could take the damn pin out of there. It's ridiculous. Totally unacceptable. But you have to do what you have to do, right? So anyways, we're going to put this back together, tack it up, and then I'm going to have to get my arc welder in here in my shop here and tack this thing up real good. Weld it up real good, and then it'll be good to go again. But I'm going to do the same on both sides because I'm pretty sure the other part of that grapple there has had it. It's a tube there, so I'm going to take it apart. I may as well take everything apart and redo it. And it's just a total fucking joke. Anyways, I don't like when I buy something, I want it to last, and I have to piss around with modifying it. It's okay for doing repairs, but it's totally unacceptable. But anyways, there you have it. Just put a piece of. I had to machine it. This was a piece of 1 inch. It is metric size. It was 7/8 of an inch rod. So I just machined it up on the lathe here, like I showed you before, and it fits. So there's a little bit of slop in there, which is okay. It's like my. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut this time about sloppiness. So anyways. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.